Throughout this course, we will be using Ubuntu as our operating system. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install VirtualBox. This is Karthik from Rootedu. Let's get into the video. VirtualBox is a hypervisor. Hypervisor is a program used to run and manage one or more virtual machines on a computer. If you are familiar with this installation, you can feel free to skip this video. Let's go ahead with the installation for macOS. VirtualBox can be downloaded from its official site. Link is provided in the description. So now if I open my applications, you can see VirtualBox is downloaded. Thank you for watching this video.